Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the traceroute command. It reports on the route taken to reach a remote system and provides timing details for each hop along the way, in other words, each connection between subsequent routers. To use traceroute, just type traceroute, followed by the name of a system or IP address, and we can see we're getting details already. In this case, it took 18 steps to reach the target, and for each one we can see the name or IP address of the router. In this case, there's my local system, my local router, and then we go outside of my home network to the next one. We see the timing for each one. For example, we have 3 times for each hop because it tests more than once. If we see asterisks down here, it maybe the responses didn't come back fast enough, or maybe that system doesn't or cannot use the protocol that was used in this case. But we keep going and eventually get down to the system that we're trying to reach. What you don't see is that traceroute is using time to live settings to get a response from each hop before it tries to reach the next one. And this allows it to collect the timing details that you're seeing here. Well, that's your Linux tip for the traceroute command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.